Guys, welcome back. I'm here with Dubwerks.
Hi.
I just emptied my bank account.
Slightly emptied mine.
And yeah, we are, how many vehicles did we buy?
A few.
Don't tell Jen. Just do not tell Jen. All right, we're almost there. So we'll
It is blue.
It is blue, yeah. All right, we'll bring you guys back. We're almost there. Garage finds. Guys, I just bought this double cab, my first double cab. I am pumped right now. Huge thank you to Ravi from Dubwerks channel. He's behind the camera right now. We have no cameras. This is my phone. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Hopefully come back today, get the brake drums freed up, get this thing out of here. Show them the plate. I mean, I don't know the story on this.
Very well could be original. Connecticut did make trucks have commercial plates.
Really, 62.
Commercial slash combination.
Is it a 62?
I think it's 62. So
Frame's good. It's been taken apart to be done, but a lot of the pieces are kind of inside.
yeah,
But that's going to be it for now. Just to show you how we found it, because someone's going to here is going to clean all this stuff out. So I just wanted to show you, you know, as found.
as is.
So we're going to get after this thing today. Oh man, double cab. We haven't found the gates yet. Hopefully they're in the basement. I'm really excited. Thank you again to Robbie, Dubwerks channel. Check him out. Huge lead. We did it. So we're going to get to work. And did I say I'm happy?
You seem it.
I'm a little happy.
You're
right
a little
now, 'cause
happy.
I was a little cranky before this lead.
Hi, it's Dubwerks. So these engines here, there's 3 engines sitting on the back here. And this one in particular is interesting because it has the bus exhaust that sticks out.
Which we just noticed. I just noticed.
I noticed it.
Oh, you did?
But I didn't say anything.
So that's awesome.
And then you run the number, it's 729. Bus engine numbers are different than Beetle. And this falls right about in the range for the original engine for this bus here.
That would be awesome, because we do not have an engine.
There's no engine in it.
There are some engines on the property. You said one was what, an AK?
So this is AK, which dual port.
Yeah.
And that's also a 62, 63 engine. It's stale air though.
Man, I did not see that muffler until just now. That's awesome.
So this
So-
very well could be it.
It's got to be.
And it's got the 28 picked, not a 28-1, so that's about right. And it's got it covered.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Now if we can find some gates.
I know. That's what we need. Got to be here somewhere.
What are we doing?
Allow me. Oh, it's got some windshield rust. We're going to see if this thing rolls.
It's on flats.
Oh, is it?
It's flat there,
Well,
yeah.
then we're not. We can jack it up.
We can't, yes. The back's not flat. I did not check the parking brake. I don't know where that is.
It's on the floor.
Oh. Hold on, flashlight.
Somewhere. It's right here. It should be. No, it's not.
Disengaged.
I got a dead hawk over here.
That's cool. Can't show that on YouTube.
Why not? No? Dead animals?
I don't think you can show dead animals.
Ugh. At least there's no maggots.
Yeah, that'd be gross.
Lube me.
Yeah.
Please roll.
Please roll.
Please, pretty please.
Alright, this side's up. Oh yeah, you don't even need to, yeah, you can just...
Ready? Oh,
Oh yeah. Yes.
yes. Oh, that's good. Let's check. That was butter.
That was new.
That was like,
We're gonna drive this weekend.
I can't wait to push this thing
I-
around. My mom texted me the other day about something. I said, oh, I'm at the shop pushing cars around. She said, well, do you at least have your shirt on?
Yeah.
Have fun pushing cars around. Thanks, Mom.
Well, you're good at what you do.
You just put the rear end on dollies and pivot it so we don't hit the Harley. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Butter. Like best rollers ever.
Nice. Well,
Wow.
we're pretty golden then.
Who thought we'd be doing a double cab rescue with my iPhone 4? Sorry, guys.
No real equipment when you've got to rush to buy things.
No, yeah, this is a Mayday. Oh,
Well,
all right.
we have our work cut out for
I'm
us.
gonna keep going. There's a renter here that has left some stuff here, so we're trying to keep all his stuff not thrown.
Keep his stuff his.
Yeah. All right, guys, we got it cleaned off. Time to get double cab loaded.
Yeah.
I think we have the original engine. We might just strap all this on there. Go ahead and send it. Hopefully this wheel breaks free.
It's the only one that's not free.
Put the nail on.
I have a nail in mine too.
Do you?
Yeah. I lost the bolt.
Get a bolt. Ow.
I'm gonna do the other side.
Ow.
There's the thing that.
That's for Jen. She loves it when I hit my head.
Oh, that was
frame. Better than the last split plus.
What was the O?
Well, there's a little, floor's a little,
Oh,
but I'm not complaining.
what's the Bondo's for?
Alright, let's grab that corner so we can hold it. No, not this.
Not that.
No. Alright, we're going to the dollies. Other side, do the other side. Yeah, it's higher. Can you get under it?
Yep. Good.
Alright.
Alright.
Come on, Harbor Freight. Oh, we got a little extra weight on there. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, get on that side, give her a ride. That's good.
Alright, that's pretty,
So we've got 3 out of the 4 rolling. We're probably just going to push it back to the ramps. Hopefully that one frees up. We'll see. You said you need air in the front too, bud?
the front's flat, yeah.
You got some snowage? Snowage here?
Some snowage?
Snow tires?
I like the snow tires, yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Look at that. April 62 commercial plate.
How old is that plate?
Probably April 62.
Think it's the original?
63 was the last year for tabs like that. 62 is about right. November bust. It'd be cutting it close. But Connecticut, the way they issued expiration dates early on like that is weird. So you could buy a vehicle and have it expire 6 months from then. It could be the real deal. Who knows?
Don't go too crazy.
Don't put 50 pounds in there.
No. That's good.
If anything, it looks cool on it.
Yeah. None
Yeah.
of my bad numbers are on it, so that's good.
Nope.
I'll check the VIN too. We're good.
We're good. We're safe. You
It
can
was
keep
close.
this.
I have some bad juju in my life that I just can't have. Don't hit the Harley.
No.
Can't wait to go through all the inside. We should grab the speedo so that doesn't
So it doesn't get
busted. We
cracked.
got windows. Then we get out in the daylight. We'll shoot a clip what's in there. And we get it home.
You can
see
clean,
what's inside.
clean it out, see what's in it.
My favorite part.
Yeah, this one's flat. How's that one?
Is it?
This one is flat.
Really?
Yeah, it's sitting on the yeah, it's flat on the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Duh.
Yep.
My first time. Was it? Is that bus rims on the back? Or no?
Is that bus rims on
Got bus rims in the front.
Bus rims on the back.
Does it?
Yep.
I like those meats back there.
Those are nice.
I like those. What size are those? Those are huge.
Big. 700 F78 14s. That is big.
Mine are like 3,500.
So that tire size is the same size the Charger should have.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna look at the Charger when we get home.
Yeah.
Finally drove it. First time in a long time.
Yeah. F78.
Let's not have this thing explode on it.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good. It's a roller.
that steering knob on there. It's getting exciting. I mean, it was.
It has a suicide knob? Oh,
Was it?
no. No, you said steering knob.
No,
That's what I thought you
yeah,
meant.
it's the right there. All right,
Let's do this.
let's give it a heave ho back towards the. Yep. There it goes.
Got it. Oh yeah, that wheel's rolling.
All right, cut it up. Cut it to the wall. Sweet, sweet. All right, cut it back. Yeah, cut it back.
Yep, straight
Get these out of here. As I kill myself on the cords. Yeah, that's that hawk, isn't it? Another bird? All right, so you just watch the fronts. Make sure. Yeah, because we're screwed. All right, we got both. Hit it again. Got both dollies out of the way. Good.
That one's good. That one's not good.
Maybe cut it a little bit so we get centered towards the wall. Dude, it's rolling. I can't even believe it right now. Can't even believe it.
Nice.
Freaking double cab, man. Slick double cab.
Oh, who's home?
I don't believe it.
Brand new dog legs.
All right, guys. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's that. Oof.
Yeah.
Is that raccoon?
It's something.
Oh, there's the apron. Nice. Dog legs.
Apron, dog legs, glass.
Yeah, look what's on there. Is that glass over there with the heat exchanger on it? Oh,
Yes.
man.
Yeah, it's the rear glass.
Great.
Looks like. Headlights, fried eggs.
We're going to have to secure all this glass. Yeah, that's not good.
Well, maybe that's the beacon there on the floor.
Would you say Dove Blue?
Oh yeah, Dove Blue.
Why is it all orange?
It's red oxide primer.
Primered it, huh?
Yeah,
It's got the seats in it. That's sweet.
that is sweet.
It's got the
Look at that.
colossal turds in it.
Yeah, look at that. That's a window glass.
Oh, is that a registration on it?
Oh, it's a, yeah, yeah. What's it say? New York?
Can't tell. I'm not touching it. Oh,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
blow it right at me. So I gotta get all that out of there. Oh, man.
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island. Sunshine State.
What'd you say?
It's the Sunshine State, right?
That's a little
Oh, look at that pile of frickin' poo. Oh man, really? Had to have a. This bus isn't from here because we don't have the coonage.
No. Can't wait to see what's in it though.
LP group, yeah, I can't wait to see you clean this out for me. I appreciate it. I gotta
Hey.
get that glass out of there.
Gotta pay off a 914 tow.
Oh, this door is
That
roached.
door's roached. Don't worry, you can fix that.
You can.
I can.
Oh, I gotta get a mask before I go in here. At least it's raccoon.
Yeah, I touch it without gloves.
Why?
I
don't have gloves. I gotta get it cleaned out because
would not. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere.
no,
I really wouldn't touch that.
that's risky.
I know.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna put that tarp.
Over it.
No, in that gap right there, so it falls forward.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
All right, we'll bring you guys back when we get back. Well, you touched that.
That's different.
I don't know how that's different. Hey guys, well we made it back. It was dark. We just got it unloaded. So huge thank you to Robbie from the Dubwerks channel for hooking me up with this lead. We're gonna get some eyeballs in this thing and get it cleaned out. That'll be the next video, getting this thing cleaned out. But give it a face. More updates on the double cab. We just rescued another car yesterday. We have more rescues there to do. Thank you guys for dropping in. Make it a great week, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.